Okay. Hello to everyone. Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's called IT Next. I'm Case or I'm Tony. Uh, in today's video, I'd like to show you step-by-step guide on how you can install and learn Windows 10 using VirtualBox. So in this video, what I mean in this video that I'm going to show you every single step on how you can download, how you can install everything, like how you can download the Windows 10 22 H2 version on Microsoft page, and even how you can download Windows 11, sorry, and how you can download the VirtualBox. So in this video, I'm going to be showing to you everything that you need to know on how you can download and install everything, or how you can learn Windows 10 using VirtualBox. So without waste of time, let me start. Okay. Before I start, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and even share this video to your friends so that they can learn too. Okay. Because what I'm doing now, I want everyone to know more about computer. So now, let me start. At first, we need to download the Windows 10 disk ISO. I already have the disk image here. Let me show it to you. I already have the disk image into my computer. Okay. Here I have the disk image that I'm going to use. But besides that, I'd like to show you how you can download it from Microsoft website. Okay, for free. Now, let me show to you how. At first, all you have to do, you have to come and open up the new. You have to open up any web browser that is on your computer. Like, let me open up Google Chrome, as you can see. Now here we have to first download the Windows 10 ISO, disk ISO, and then we download VirtualBox onto our computer. Now to download this Windows 10 disk ISO, all you have to do, come up here and then type in Windows 10 download. Okay, just type that into Google, then press enter on your keyboard. Now down here you have to click on this Microsoft website, click to download the Windows 10 disk image or ISO file. Click to download the website. Okay, now here is the website. Now to download the Windows 10 disk ISO, because this Microsoft here website, they always keep on changing their website. Now I'm going to show you the quickest way to download this. Okay, because here some days we were having download the option here, but nowadays we don't have the download the option. As you can see on this page, I don't have any option showing download, because if I'm to use this, I think it will take me, or it will give me, I have to download this media tool, this media creation tool, and then it gives me this one makes me I don't want people to use this, because sometimes it's a film, it makes me feeling headache. Okay, so I don't recommend someone to use this, because I don't know, but actually I like to use uh, I like to use other option. Now let me show to you how you can download the disk image directly on this page. To do this, all you have to do, just right click on anywhere on this website, and then move down and select inspect. Okay. Now here and on this inspect page, move up here on dimensions. Here you can see I have Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Just select any, like let me select Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. Okay, now when you're done selecting that, move up here on size. Let me select like 100%, 200%. Okay, now here again I don't have the download option. To download this, all I have to do, move up here and then refresh the page. Okay, and boom. Now here you can see the selection edition. Let me first close this inspection tool, and then move down under Windows 10 2023 update version 22H2 selection edition. Click and then select Windows 10 multi edition. Okay, click here and then click on confirm. Once you're done, click on confirm. All you have to do, again down here, select the product language, click and choose the language that you would like to use for your operating system. Right now for me, I'd like to use English United States, English International, but maybe let me select the English United States. Then click again down here, click on confirm. This will take us onto another page. Here you can see Windows 10 English. Okay, this the image will be in English version. Okay, now I'm showing to you how you can download it, because it will take a lot of time to download it, depending on your network connection. If you have a good network connection, it will be fast. But remember, I have already downloaded the ISO, so I'm just showing you the steps that I used to download it, so that we can be on the same page. Now, here let me click on 64-bit, because for me I prefer using a 64-bit download. Okay, so click to download. Then if you don't have IDM software on the computer, for the image it will just start downloading by itself. Okay, but since that I have the IDM on my computer, that's why you are seeing this as popped up. Okay, for me I just click on start download. Then you can see it will take 31 minutes or 30 minutes, around 20. So I'm not going to download the image because I already have it. Let me just click on cancel. Then we download the other thing, because then we download the VirtualBox, because I already have the image here, as I already told you that I have the image here. So now all what I have to do, click on, let me add another tab. Then here type to search download virtual box. Okay, hit enter on the keyboard. Now here move down and then select Oracle or VMware. Okay, Oracle, VMware or VirtualBox. Then here click to open. This will open the page for the VirtualBox. As you can see, this is the page. Now to download this VirtualBox, all you have to do, just click here on downloads. Okay, now here under downloads, download VirtualBox, you'll see the hosts, different hosts that you can download. If you are using Windows, you have to download this Windows hosts. If you are using Mac OS, you can just download this. So you can see here the site has different links. So for us, we are using Windows. Okay, here you can see I have Windows 11 on my computer. Now just click on Windows. Then this will start download automatically. So let me download it and complete, because I don't have it into my computer. So let me wait this to complete. For this I can click to close this browser, and then we wait to see other next step. But remember, I already told you, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe on this channel, and even give a like, or even you can share to your friends so that they can learn too, because you have your friends that they want to learn more about computers. So just share this video to your friends. Okay, now once the download has completed, all what you have to do, let me locate to the download folder. Okay, downloads, here under programs. Now we have the setup here for the VirtualBox. To download it, just click and then select run as administrator. Okay, here click on yes to continue. Okay, let me close this. Okay, now here the setup wizard has popped up. Just click on next. Again, here you can leave everything as it is, and then click on next. Here on the network interface, just click on yes to continue. Again, install missing whatever Python core, just click on yes to continue, and after click on install. So the software will start installing onto your computer automatically. Here you can see I'm installing VirtualBox on my computer. So let us wait. Okay, once it's done, you can see installation is complete. Now we are going to learn VirtualBox onto our computer. We are going to use this software to learn Windows 10. Okay, here just click on finish. Then the program will just okay, maybe there is some other files here. It has to be like this. Okay, okay, now it has to be like this. Okay, now this has opened up, and if it's closed, just double click here. Just double click on it to open up. Okay, now this is the VirtualBox. Okay, this is the software that we are going to use to install our operating system on it. Let me first minimize this because it's too big. Okay, it's too big. Maybe let me minimize it. Okay, it'll be like this. Now, at first, if you want to install the operating system, just follow me so that we can learn together. Okay, I want you people to learn with me. Now, to start creating a new VirtualBox, all what you have to do, click on new, this new option here, and then here on the name, you have to type like we are going to install Windows 10. Type Windows 10. Sorry, Windows 10. Okay. Okay. Here you can choose the folder where you want this VirtualBox to be saved. And now here on image, just leave as it is. I'll show you on the next step on how you can add this. And then here on type, you can see it's Microsoft. And version, this is Windows 10. If it's other operating system version, you can select to like Windows 11. But now I'm showing it to you how you can install Windows 10. Okay, here click on next. And then here on memory, you can see I have 8 GB installed. Let me give this VirtualBox 4 GB of RAM. On the CPU, I can give it to 2, and then click on next. Okay, here leave this as create a virtual disk. Create a virtual disk now, and then click on next. Okay, here after doing everything, just click on finish. Okay, here down you can see it's creating it's trying to creating the machine, virtual machine. So I have to wait for a few minutes. I have to wait for a few minutes, but maybe I have configured some files in an incorrect way. Let me click here to close, and then let me click back, and then let me select the other storage here. Like let me select 25, and then again I see why it's not continuing. Okay, because when I click on next, okay, the program has closed. I don't know why, but let me open up this VirtualBox again, and I see. Oh no! Why? 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 Okay, let me click on new. Let me enter like win, and then press on next because the same way. Yeah, let me first click on next, again next, and then click on finish. Okay, here let me configure. Let me configure it from here because it has failed from the other side. Let me configure it from here. Now you can see here the win. Just click on settings, and we do the steps that like we did before. Now here on the steps, on settings, just click on system. Okay, now let me increase on the RAM to give it like 4 as I did before. Okay, now on processors, the processors or the CPU, all what I have to do, let me make it 2 as I promised. Let me make choose 2 like I did before. So I don't know why it crashed that time. I don't know why it crashed, but again the same process. Just I click on the settings, and then I do the same again, the same process. Okay, now here click on display. Here on the virtual memory, I leave everything as it is. Okay, now here click on storage. Here on storage, okay, this one is sending me a message. Here on storage, we have to add our Windows 10 operating system or disk image. Okay, the image that we are going to install, or Windows 10 22H2. image that we are going to use for installation. Now all what I have to do, just click on here on empty, empty. Okay, now this side, click on this icon and then choose the disk image. Here we have to select our disk image that we have downloaded already. If you have it, if you don't have, you have to select the location that is where it is, but here I have it. Now after selecting it, you can see it has loaded here. Okay, now here on sound, I think I should leave every other things as it is and then click on OK. Okay, so once you've done configuring your operating system or your computer, all you have to do, people are disturbing me, so they're disturbing me. Now once you're done configuring the operating system here, all you have to do, just click here on start, because you have done configuring our operating system. So this here you can see powering in VM app. So the VirtualBox is starting up. Let me minimize this, and then I close this. So here click on capture. uh, so here we are waiting, since that I'm installing I'm using the image from an external drive. Here to take some times, but if you are having that image onto the same machine or onto the same disk, it would have been quick. But here I have to wait. Just let us wait for a few minutes or for a few seconds. I think for a few minutes, because I'm using the cable. The image is on an external drive, so it's trying to load. So here I have to wait. I have to wait. So that this can load. Okay, so let us wait. And please, if you know, don't forget to subscribe on this channel so that you can learn more tech videos. Okay, here you have to wait for a few minutes, it will load. Just that the problem is that I'm using it from an external drive, that's why it has taken long. So you have to be patient. But if you are having the image on the computer, to just load quickly. So here I have to wait for a few minutes. Okay, now here you can see Windows has started to load its logo. Okay, so you have to wait to get another page. We have to wait. Mouse whatever, let me make this big, then close this. Okay, here you can see the setup wizard has popped up. Here we are. You can see the pop-up page has popped up. So now all what I have to do here, just click on next, select your language that you'd like to use. Like remember this image, I download this image into this, that's why you don't see a lot of English, sorry, a lot of languages to select. Okay, here just click on next, and then on this page just click on install. So setup is starting. So you have to wait for a few minutes. Okay, let us wait for the next step. Okay, hold on. Hold on. I'm sorry for everything. Just that someone has been asking some questions here. Has been failed to install, so I had to reply him. Okay, now on this page, on on the activation page, all you have to do here, just click I don't have a product key, because we don't have the product key for this Windows right now. Just click here, I don't have a product key, to continue. Okay, now on this, select the operating system you want to install. Here, just move down, click on Windows 10 Pro, and then click on next. Okay, once you've done selecting that, we have to wait for another page to pop up. Okay, here you can see the license terms and whatever, or you can read, you can take your time and read everything here if you have a time. Then you have to click on I accept the license terms, and then click on next. Okay, here if you have been having any operating system like a Windows 7, Windows 8, and would like to upgrade to Windows 10 uh, or any other operating system, uh, all what you have to do here, uh, okay, all what you have to do here, just click on install Windows. Click on this, select this option, install Windows only. Okay, when you select this will pop up. Here is our disk that we have selected to install the virtual machine. Okay, the virtual memory that we are going to use. So now all what I have to do here, just click on next. Okay, now here you can see Windows. So here you can see the installation, installing Windows. You can see copying Windows files, getting the files ready for installation. So here you have to wait, because the Windows is going to start copying the files from the external or from the image, and then to be installed on our operating system on our machine. Okay, so here it's going to take a lot of time, but we have to wait depending on the machine. But as I told you that the image that I'm using, it's an external, that's why it's somewhat a bit slow. Okay, it's a normal machine, it's not an SSD, because if it has been on SSD, again it would have been there would have been some speed. Okay, but here you have to wait. But remember, as I told you, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe on this channel, like, and even share this video to your friends. Okay, now here you can see the files is now installing. Here you can see the percent, it's in 1%, but what I know, it's going to be fast. Just when it's starting it, yeah, it takes a lot of time, like 10 to 5 minutes. Okay, so here you have to wait. Again, you can see it's now speeding. Okay, so let us wait. Okay, here you can see it's in 21%. So you have to wait. You have to wait here on this page. You have to wait so that uh, this copy the file. So we have to wait for this process, and then I showed you other steps. So I think I have to first cool down myself. Okay, let me get a drink here, because even if you are installing on another machine, you have to wait for a few minutes depending on the machine. But remember, on new machines, they are fast. Okay, they are fast. But here I'm using virtually, and I'm using a USB cable to install the operating system. So I'm expecting this to take like 5 minutes. Yeah. So let me back when this has done copying the files. Okay, I'm back. So please here, the reason why it's like taking a lot of time. Remember that I'm live. Okay, this is not video editing. That way I'm going to speed up this process. So my friends, if you are seeing this, just take your time. You can skip if you are just watching. After this live, you can skip. If you have for this video, you can just skip to other steps. But remember, I'm live. I can't speed up anything here, so I have to wait this to complete. Okay. Okay, so let us wait. It's in 75%, about 30% to go. So let us wait for some times. Okay, let us wait. Let's wait a bit. I don't know why here on 75 it has taken a lot of time to complete, but what I know, till load, as you can see now, it's 76. Here it's going to move, so I have to wait. I have to wait this to complete. Yep. So Please, if you're new, as as I've been saying, don't forget to subscribe, like, and even leave a comment so that your friends learn too. Okay. So it's 84, about 20% to go. So we have to wait. We have to wait a bit so that this completes. Okay. Have to wait. And as I told you, that if you are having a, if you're having a, if you're if you watched this video when already done with their live, you can skip this process so that you can go on to another steps. But like you can skip this page because this will take a lot of time. But remember, this the time it takes here, sometimes you take again on your computer. But remember, you have to see. At the first, we have seen how you can download the Windows 10 ISO from Microsoft website, and then how you can download the VirtualBox, how you can install all of them. Right now, I'm showing to you how you can how you can install this Windows 10. Okay, so please, you have to be very keen on all steps that we are doing. Okay, so I think about few minutes to go. Okay, because this is the one of the longest process. Okay, other processes are good, easy, but this process takes a lot of time. So for this we have to wait. Okay. Okay, now here you can see the setup is successfully copying the files. Now you can see installing the updates, and then after this will restart the machine. And please remember, the machine will restart several times, and don't forget that this is okay. Okay, here you can wait this to complete, or just move down here and then click on restart now, because it has taken a lot of time. I just command it to uh, for the machine to start at its own. Okay, here you can see now we are going to go on to another page. Here, don't press any key, leave everything as it is, and then the windows will open up or will continue installing. Okay, yeah, let me click don't show this on the capture. Okay, now as you can see, it's setting up. So here you have to wait again, but I think this will not take a lot of time like the other copying files. Okay, so let us wait. Okay, here you can see it's getting ready. Again, we have to wait. Yeah, you don't have to do anything on your computer. Yeah, you don't have to do. You have to you have to just leave your computer as it is, and then to continue installing everything. Then I'll show to you where we need to be, like where we need to touch on our computer. But right now, we don't have to do anything. Like we just leave the computer to work at its own. Okay. So here, let us wait for this machine to copy the files. Here, maybe it's trying to configuring some files. Yeah, maybe it's trying to configure some files. What did I say? But that's Microsoft did. That's how Microsoft did that. So you have to wait. And as I told you, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Mainly the people that are asking for the help on about Microsoft Office. If you are here watching this video, please subscribe on our channel and share this video to your friends so that they can learn too, because they are the same people that always come into my inbox and saying that uh, sir, you helped someone on about the other issue, blah 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 blah. So I said, why don't you go and watch the video? The video is completely, but if you have some issues, always help. So here, let us wait uh, for this to complete, and then I show to you other steps here. Maybe again here to take some times, but we have to wait. Have nothing to do. I think the machine will have to restart after copying the files. Let me see. After getting ready, the machine, I think it has to restart, but uh, okay, it has restarted. So the same thing that we are doing, you are seeing here, it will be the same thing. It will be the same thing as it will pop up on your computer. Okay, when you are installing Windows on the computer, it will be the same thing. So you don't have to worry. Don't have to worry about that. The machine will restart several times, but here we are going to go on to another step. Okay, so let us wait for this. Okay, now here you can see the page has changed. You can see, just a moment, maybe here we are going to get a new pop-up page. So here let us be patient so that it can give us the other menu for putting in the name, the password, blah 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 blah. Okay, so let us wait a moment. This to give us another page. Okay. Okay, now here you can see, let us you can see here, let's start with the region. Is it light? Here you have to select which country that you are in, the country you want to use, like United States. Here click on yes. This will take us into another page. Okay, here you can see is the right keyboard layout. Yeah, most of the time use US, so click on yes here to continue. It depends on which machine that you are in, which region that you are in. Here just click on skip, don't add the layout. Okay, now we have some important blah 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 to do. Oh, this page, this page, if you are connected to the internet like as I did, this page, my friend, will take some time. Okay, this page will take some time. Please, if you already watch the video and learn and you learned how you can install, sometimes if you don't want to use this Microsoft whatever to be setting the computer as an offline, you have to plug out the internet, then you continue. There it will be fast, but when you reach on this page, my friend, uh, again it's going to take some time, but I don't know what to do. But here you can see city back and relax while we are working our mag. That's why I don't recommend to install this operating system when the machine is online. Okay, but I have to do it, so because it's the internet I'm using, so that I'm showing to you this live. Okay, so I can't disconnect the internet, but let me wait this to complete. But sometimes what I know here, it takes a lot of time. Like it takes some time. I don't know. Maybe the machine will be quick, but here it takes sometimes, because it's connected to Microsoft website and they start downloading some more features. Thanks for your patience. But again, it's not yet. Why do you thank me? Don't have to thank me. I'm annoyed because I don't want you. I'm still working. On this page, I feel like I want to cry because I don't want to use their future here. Actually, I don't want to use their future. So if you are installing it on your computer too, just have to plug out your internet and then you continue installing the operating system. But here I don't know whether I can disable the internet connection. See the connection adapter. Okay, yeah, okay. Maybe I have disconnected the internet. I think I have disconnected the internet here to hurry up. But if you want to go with the features that they give, you can continue using their feature. But this takes a lot of time. Takes a lot of time. I didn't know. I don't know. I would have just disabled the machine from the internet right now. You can see your computer will restart before you continue. So let me first wait and again it will restart. Good enough that I have disconnected the internet from this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Here you can see just a moment. Here, let me see what's going to be running on the machine. I don't know whether it's going to restart, but if I've been having the internet, okay, it has restarted. Now, good enough that I don't have the internet connection. For the next step, it's going to hurry. Okay? Yeah. So let us wait the computer to start. It's fine. It's fine. I'm okay with it. Okay. Here you can see. Just a moment. Again, I think I have to repeat the process. Wow. Wow. After disabling the other internet. Oh my god. Okay, this is where I've been waiting for. So if you don't have the internet connection on the machine, just here it will be asking you that let's connect to the network. It is seeing the Ethernet. I have the Ethernet, but I've just disconnected here. Just click I don't have internet. So that can take up on the next step. Here click on continue with limited setup. Okay. Now on this page, just put in your name like IT next. Okay, move down and then click on next or press enter on your keyboard. Here, if you want to put in a password, you can put your password here, but I don't want to use the password right now. Just click on next. Click on next. Again, you have to wait for a few seconds. Then here you can see choose the private settings for your device. Okay, move down here and then click on accept, or you can just turn off for anything that you don't want here, and then click on next, and then click on accept. Again, click on accept. Okay, here we don't have to touch on anything. Just let's leave everything. It will be working at its own. It's still trying to configure our setup that we have made. But if you have been having the internet connection on this machine, oh my god, we would have seen a lot of work. Oh, we have been waiting for a long time. Okay, so we have to wait here for this machine to complete. Remember that I'm live, that's why the video is too long, but in this video I think you can learn every steps and every challenge that I face, and if you face the challenges too, you know how to fix them too. I think you are getting me. The good thing